Here is a classic cutting board. It's made out of the same material you'll find in all restaurants. It has been used last couple days. We'll test this and we'll measure the germ level on it. So here we'll test this surface. Put it back in. Break the top. Put it in the meter. Close it up. Hit OK, and now in 15 seconds we will get a reading. 3430. Then we will use the Simix multi-surface kitchen degreaser with a half a teaspoon per 32 ounces. I'll spray it on, and on this type of surface you might want to let it sit just a couple minutes because it's very, very porous. So now we'll wipe the surface, dry it, and then test. A 3, which means very clean. Anything under a 10 is hospital surface surgery clean. So with Simix, no need for bleach or other sanitizers. You can use us, save a lot of money and time, and keep your surfaces clean.